Dwi'n siarad y gwartheg rwan, mae'r bystach buddigol yng Nghystadleuaeth y Croen Masnachol yn fan hyn, Hayley Hansen, sydd wedi bod yn beirniadu, a Mara Jones, pennaeth gweithredoedd, y teitl anhygoel o hir gen ti, ond yn rhan o'r tîm sy'n trefnu y ffair eia yma. Mae hon yn gystadleuaeth dechreuodd llynedd, yn dydi?
Ie, chi'n iawn. Dechreuon ni'r gystadleuaeth yma llynedd. Mae'n ni'n teimlo fel pwyllgor ffair eaf bod e'n bwysig iawn i arwyddo'r carcas yn ei cyfanrwydd a bod dim wast a penderfynu wedi cyflwyno'r gystadleuaeth Croen Masnachol gorau. A o chwarae teg, oedd Hayley Hansen yn fodlon noddi'r gystadleuaeth a hefyd beirniadu gan bod hi'n gamster ar gwneud
y handbags. Dyma greadigaeth o groen yr enillydd y llynedd?
Ie, croen llynedd. Mae wedi creu'r handbags yma. A mi oedd hein yn y sioe frenhinol yn yr haf. Felly mae'n braf i gweld yr patrwm yn digwydd.
Mae hwn yn lleol iawn, achos mae'r brethyn hefyd yn lleol, yn dydi o?
Odi, o Llanelwedd, felly lleol dros ben, sydd yn holl bwysig.
We love your work, Hayley.
Thank you.
But this year you were judging as well.
Yeah, we're judging. So last year we just went for size last year. We had a great big massive steer. The volume of leather was huge. This year we've picked this heifer here. As you can see, she's absolutely beautiful.
So what attracted you to this heifer?
Well, apart from, she's a really good heifer in her own right. You can see she's won the Butcher's Choice Award, but she's so pretty, and she's really big and deep, and she's really wide across the back. So she's just lovely. She's in such good nick. You can see that shining in her coat. She's just got a beautiful, beautiful hide.
A heifer fuddugol Cai Edwards di hon, Betws Gwerfel Goch.
Yeah.
So what are your plans then, Hayley?
Well, as she's a heifer, once she is for sale, as she's a heifer, we'll track her and find out where she's gone to. She might be kept for breeding. If she's not, at some point we'll have her hide back, and we'll tan that then, and she will be just the most beautiful rug.
And where do you work? You're quite local.
Home, so it'll be all done in Wales. So we're the only Welsh leather makers left. So we're one of the only leather makers left in the UK. So she'll sort of come back to where she started, to a farm, and she'll be kept for posterity then as a hide. She'll be preserved, it'll last forever.
And what has the reaction been to this development then, this new competition and the new use?
Wel, mae wedi dangos bod e'n boblogaidd iawn, achos ni wedi cyflwyno fe eleni eto. Ni wedi cael adborth positif iawn, a bod y stori na fe, mae dyn ni cyfrifoldeb fel ffair eaf i arwyddo'r gorau, a arwyddo'r cynnyrch stani, a mae hwn jyst yn dangos bod ni'n arwyddo'r carcas cyfan a bod dim wast i gael.
Wel, mae'r gwaith yn hyfryd, ac edrychwn ni mlaen i weld beth ddigwydd nesaf. Thank you, Hayley, for the chance. Diolch i ti Mara hefyd. Diolch o galon.